So, meron tayong bagong pension calculator ng SSS and dito is mako-compute mo kung magkano yung magiging pension mo na mare-receive mo pagdating mo ng retirement age under these SSS programs. Okay, so punta ka lang sa sss.gov.ph and then piliin mo yung check out the pension calculator. So, next step is proceed and then makikita nyo dito pension calculator. So, current age. So, kunwari, ang age ko is 25. Tapos, kunwari, current monthly salary ko, kunyari, is 30,000. Tapos, gusto kong magkaroon ng monthly pension na 15,000. So, I can afford an additional monthly savings of 2,000 siguro. Okay, so click calculate. So, ayan. So, 2060 daw ako magre-retire. Regular SSS, 15,300. Mandatory Provident Fund is 12,000. So, pension booster is 4,000. Total ko is 31,445 at the age of 60 years old. So, starting today, ang regular SSS na aking ihuhulog ay 3,000. Tapos, yung Mandatory Provident Fund na 1,500. Pension booster na 500. So, total 5,000 per month yung ihuhulog ko sa SSS para magkaroon ako ng regular SSS na 15,000. At ang monthly ko na matatanggap ay 31,000 pagdating ko ng age 60.